Hello guys, you are welcome back from the break. Let's continue from where we stopped. Now we come to another important aspect of fraction, which is basic operations on fraction. There are 4 important operations on fraction and even in mathematics generally. We have addition operation, we have subtraction operation, we have division operation, and lastly, multiplication operation. So, let's start with addition. Example 1. Simplify 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2. How do we go about this? The first thing to do is that you find the LCM of the denominators of the fractions. The denominators here are 4 and 2. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. And that is why you have been taught LCM and HCF before now. So this is the time to apply what you have learnt. 4 divide 4. It gives us 1. That 1 times this 3. We have 3 plus the 2 here divides 4 and gives us 2. That 2 times this 1 gives us 2. 3 plus 2, that gives us 5 over 4, which in mixed fraction is 1 whole number 1 over 4. Do you understand? Good. Example 2. Simplify 2 over 3 plus 1 whole number 1 over 4 plus 4 whole number 1 over 2. There are 2 approaches to this. Let's take them one after the other. 2 over 3 plus, convert this to improper. That is 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5 over 4 plus 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1, that's 9 over 2. The LCM of 2, 4, and 3 is 12. 3 divides 12, it gives us 4. 4 times 2, that is 8. 4 divides 12, that's 3. 3 times 5 gives 15. 2 divides 12, that's 6. 6 times 9, that is 54. Addition of this, 8 plus 15, that is 23. 23 plus 54, that is 77 over 12. 12 in 77, that is 6. It remains, 12 times 6 is 72. Remove 72 from 77, that is 5. That means it remains 5. Do you get what I'm doing? We have 12 in 6 places is obtainable from 77. It will now remain 5. You now put that 5 all over 12. So that's the answer. 6 whole number 5 over 12. The other approach is from here. You may decide to add the whole numbers. 4 plus 1, that's 5. So we have 5 plus 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2. Do you see what I do? That's another approach. So you have 5 plus, the LCM of this is 12. 3 in 12, that's 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 4 in 12, that's 3. 3 times 1, 3. Plus 2 in 12, 6. 6 times 1, 6. So we have 5 plus 8 plus 3, that's 11. 11 plus 6, that is 17 over 12. 5 plus, convert 17 over 12 into mixed number. 12 in 17, that's 1. Remains 5. You have 5 over 12. So 5 plus 1 whole number 5 over 12, that is 6 whole number 5 over 12. Do you understand? Good. Consider example 3. Simplify one whole number 3 over 4 plus 2 whole number 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4. Two approaches are possible here. Number 1, you can convert this first term and the second term to improper fraction. Thus, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3, that's 7. 7 over 4 plus 2 times 2, that is 4, plus 1, that is 5 over 2 plus 3 over 4. The LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So we have 4 divides 4 to give us 1. 1 times 7, that's 7, plus 2 divides 4 to give us 2. 2 times 5, that's 10, plus 4 divides 4 to give us 1. The 1 multiplies 3 to give us this. So 7 plus 10 is 17, plus 3 is 20. 20 divided by 4, answer is 5. Or we use this approach of adding the whole numbers first. 2 plus 1, that is 3, plus 3 over 4, plus 1 over 2, plus 3 over 4. So this is 3 plus LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 4 divides 4 to give 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 divides 4 to give 2. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 4 divides 4 to give 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So we have 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 over 4. This is 3 plus 8 divided by 4 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So those are the two possible approaches to this example 3. Here we come to subtraction of fractions. Example 1. Subtract 3 whole number 1 over 4 from 5 whole number 3 over 4. This means 5 whole number 3 over 4 minus 3 whole number 1 over 4. That's the meaning of this construction. Subtract this from this. This is the arrangement. Two approaches are possible here as well. Number 1 is by converting each of them to improper fraction. 4 times 5, that is 20, plus 3, 23 over 4, minus 4 times 3, that's 12, plus 1, 13 over 4. LCM here is 4. 4 in 4, we have 1. 1 times 23, that's 23, minus 4 divides 4 is still 1. 1 times 13, that's 13. Subtracting 13 from 23, that gives 10 over 4. 2 goes in 10, 5 times. 2 in 4, 2 times. Your answer is good as 5 over 2 in improper fraction, or 2 whole number 1 over 2 as mixed fraction. That is one approach. Another approach possible is having 5 whole number 3 over 4 minus 3 whole number 1 over 4. We can decide to subtract the whole numbers first. Subtract 3 from 5. So we have 2 whole number 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Or you write 2 plus 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Either of the way. So if you rewrite it as 2 plus, the LCM of this is 4. We have 4 in 4 is 1. 1 times 3 you write 3 minus 4 in 4 gives 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So this is 2 plus 3 minus 1, that is 2 over 4. 2 plus 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 4, that's 2. Now, take note of this. Anytime you have to add proper fraction and a whole number together, it is as good as bringing them close to each other, and that settles it. This is what I mean. 2 plus 1 over 2. You just write 2 whole number 1 over 2. In any case, wherever you have to add proper fraction and any type of whole number, big or small, together, just bring them together like that, and that settles it. So that is, you can see that the answers are the same. Example 2. Simplify one whole number 2 over 3 minus 1 over 8. Convert this to improper fraction by having 3 times 1, that's 3, plus 2, that gives 5 over 3 minus 1 over 8. The LCM of 3 and 8 is 24. 3 in 24, as in 3 divides 24, we have 8. 8 times 5, that is 40, minus 8 divides 24 to give 3. 3 times 1, that's 3. Subtract 3 from 40, that is 37 over 24. There is no common factor to 37 and 24, so we convert this to mixed number. How many 24 do we have in 37? That is 1. Remains what? You just subtract 24 from 37 to know what it remains. Subtract 4 from 7, that is 3. Subtract 2 from 3, that is 1. So that is 13. We have 13 over 24. So that is the answer. Example 3. Simplify 9 whole number 1 over 2 minus 4 whole number 3 over 5 minus 1 over 4. Convert this to improper fraction. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 1, that's 19 over 2 minus 5 times 4, that's 20. 20 plus 3, 23 over 5 minus 1 over 4. The LCM of 2, 5, and 4 is 20. 2 divides 20. We have 10. 10 times 19, that is 190, minus 5 divides 20. We have 4. 4 times 23, do it like this. 4 times 23, 4 times 3 is 12. You write 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus the one we carry, that is 9. So this gives 92. I hope you understand what I've done there. Minus 4 divides 20, that is 5. 5 times 1, that is 5. Subtract 92 from 190. Or write 190 minus 97. This is what I mean. Negative 92, negative 5 means negative 97. When you have two numbers of the same sign following each other, like minus 7, minus 8, answer will be minus 15. If you have minus 3, minus 5, solution will be minus 8. When you have two numbers of the same sign following each other consecutively like that, then you have to add them up in their sign. So also, negative 92, negative 5 follow each other, so add them up in their sign. Add 92 and 5 together to give you 97, but what's the sign? Negative. So all over 20. So we can now subtract 97 from 190. If you remove the first 90, it's not yet done. You have 100, you still have 7 to remove yet. Remove the other 7 from 100. So you have 93 over 20. Do you understand? And if you don't understand, just do what you normally do. 190 minus 97. Borrow 1 from this 9, it remains 8. Take it to this 0, it becomes 10. Subtract 7 from 10, it gives you 3. Subtract 9 from this 8, it is not possible. Borrow this 1. You know we are operating in base 10 now, here. So any 1 you borrow will turn to your base, the 10. So borrow this 1, it turns to 10, add it to 8, that is 18. Subtract 9 from 18, it gives you 9. So that is this 93. I want to believe you understand now. Okay? How many 20 do we have in 93? That is 4. 4 times 20 is 80. What do we have left? That is 13. You have 13 over 20. So that is the solution. And you can approach it question like this. Subtract this whole number 4 from 9. So you have 5 plus 1 over 2. Since this 5 whole number 1 over 2 that you should have left can be broken into this. Don't forget that 5 plus half is the same thing as 5 whole number 1 over 2. So you now write minus 3 over 5 minus 1 over 4. So here, the LCM of 2, 5, and 4 is 20. Don't forget to write this. 2 divides 20. That's 10. 10 times 1, 10. Minus 5 divides 20. That's 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 4 divides 20. That's 5. 5 times 1. That is 5. Here you have 5 plus 10 minus 17 all over 20. If you look at this very well, this is 5. 10 minus 17, that is minus 7 over 20. Because 10 minus 17 is minus 7 all over 20. In primary school, there is one method your teacher taught you then. But let's go a bit higher. You know that 10 minus 17 is negative 7. So over 20. Now, I want you to know something. Anytime you are subtracting, take for instance, something like 1 minus 1 over 5, 1 minus 3 over 8, 1 minus 2 over 7, something like this. Anytime you are subtracting something like this from 1, just take it as removing this 1 from 5. You have 4 left. So your answer will be 4 over 5. Do you understand? Also here, since you are subtracting it from 1, this will be subtracting 3 from 8. That is 5 over 8. That will be your answer for this. Also here, subtract 2 from 7. That is 5. 5 over 7 will be the result here. So anytime you now have something bigger than 1 here, like 2, like 3, 2 minus 3 over 4, 3 minus 3 over 7. See what will happen. You know, you just take these two, take one or two of these two as one whole number. The remaining one is what you will subtract 3 over 4 from. So it will now be subtract 3 from 4. That is 1 over 4. That's the answer. It is the one you need to subtract 3 over 7 from here. So the remaining 2 is the whole number. So subtract 3 from 7. That gives you what? 4. That is 4 over 7. That is the secret here. So it is the same secret we are going to use here. Here, answer will be, you are subtracting 7 over 20 from 1. That is what you need here. But you have 5. That means there will be a particular 4 whole number. So subtract 7 from 20. That gives you 13. So we have 13 over 20. And this is the answer. Do you understand, or it looks complicated? By the time I do more of it with you, you understand the gimmick.